Welcome to Open House. Like so many other things that have been adapted and transformed this year, school has not been an exception. The math department thought we'd share a typical day in the life of an online math teacher with you. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Ariel Theo, and I am in Miss Kasiyama's math class. Here is what math is like in Miss K's class. Let's go!
All right, let's all say good morning, guys. Go ahead and unmute.
Good
morning.
Morning.
Perfect. I'll take it. I love you guys. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. It is excellent to see you. All right, guys. Today we're going to use Nearpod.
Today we're going to be using Desmos.
All right, class. Today we're going to be using Kami for our assignment.
All right, guys. Today we're using Delta Math.
Hi, guys. Today we are going to correct our homework.
Today we're going to start a new chapter.
Hi, guys. Okay, today we're going to do an activity.
All right, guys. Today you need your notebooks.
My name is Jolena Chung, and I'm in Mrs. Chen's math class. Something I enjoyed about my math class online this year was that I got to learn so many different math concepts. I also really like Miss Chen as my math teacher because she understands how to teach lessons properly by explaining everything carefully and with lots of details so that my peers and I can have the full understanding of a lesson. She makes online learning really enjoyable since she makes me feel very comfortable in a work setting, and she also makes me feel like her class is very similar to an in-person classroom.
Hi, my name is Noah, and I appreciate my teacher because he helps with assignments and shows the work very thoroughly.
My name is Charlisa Minigo. I am in Math 8 with Miss K. Miss K is such an amazing teacher, and I wish every kid who attended Oak has the opportunity to have her as a teacher. She is so sweet and an amazing person. And thanks to her, math has become one of my favorite subjects in school.
Miss K always makes math easy to learn and fun to do. I really enjoy her online classes because she makes it really entertaining and fun to learn.
Hi, my name is Brianna Moreno, and I want to say that I'm very glad to have Ms. Vasquez as my math teacher this year. She has helped me improve a lot throughout the year. In the first beginning of online school, I wasn't happy with my grade that I had, but Ms. Vasquez has helped me to achieve it. She always wants the best for me, but not just for me, but also for everybody else in the class. She is a very great math teacher. Thanks to her, she has helped me to have the grade that I have right now. She has also showed me to never give up, and she knows what being a teacher actually is.
As we all know, moving online in the midst of the pandemic was full of uncertainty, and within that uncertainty, there is perseverance and confidence.
After all, we're Oak Royals, and we always come out roaring. And the math teachers were no exception. All of them worked so hard to make sure we knew everything we needed in order to successfully make it through the year.
And a big thank you to our math teacher, Miss Tran. Thank you for being such an amazing teacher. You really helped us stay engaged by giving us fun online activities to do, among other things.
All right, guys, if you have any questions, please stay to ask. But if not, you guys are all free to go. Have an excellent day, guys, and I will see you guys on Wednesday, okay? Bye, guys. All right, and that concludes a day in our current lives.